Hey, go, go. Big yeah. Y'all know how this shit go. You know. All eyes on me. Motherfucker on G. Roll up in the club and shit. All eyes on me. All eyes on me.
Happy iPhone Day. It's the 24th of September this year. Finally got an on-time release. And as you can see, I have the last 3 years or the last 2 years of iPhones. This came out 2019, the iPhone 11. Of course, 2020 is the iPhone 12. And 2021, the 13. Yes, indeed. So this year we don't have plastic, as you can see. We just have 2 tabs, top and bottom. And we just peel these tabs off here. Simple. We have this one, it's a little tougher. Alrighty. Whoa, amazing. Very amazing. Definitely amazing indeed. I like it. It's very sexy. Especially compared to the last year model of the 12. And you see them next to each other. And it's like, yeah, it's definitely, it gives me like a Pacific blue vibe. And like the purple one is like a dark navy blue. And yes, I'm shooting this video on an iPhone 11. But yeah, so we have the same size boxes as last year, as you can see. Same everything, same boxes. It's just that this one has a little bit of more of a holograph to the color. That says iPhone, it's a little more holographic. And you still have the same white tab. The camera module is also bigger. Slightly, very much slightly. I don't know why I got this big freaking camera thing for my camera. I guess they thought it was a Pro, so I'm going to try to get another case for this because, yeah. But at least the buttons are in the right place. But anywho, go ahead and peel this off. It's going to be so satisfying. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, indeed. Oops. They put the speaker grill up at the top now. And of course, it's a smaller notch, as you can see. The blue is just so gorgeous. It's very gorgeous compared to last year's. Last year's blue was just entirely too dark. A lot of people thought it was like a playground type of deal. I mean, like a toy type of deal. Like how it looks kind of, I like how it looks on the sides. And it actually looks good in different lighting. But as you can see, this one's still in like very good, perfect condition pretty much. But yeah, it's like a different blue. Because I did like that blue last year, but this blue, oh my God. This blue, oh my goodness. So much better. And of course you get the same pouch as you get last year. You get your stickers, you get your pen, and that's about it. So the pen goes first. Had that messed up. Anywho, yeah. So this time the paper for your Apple sticker is actually like a waxy paper. When last year, it was like the clear plastic paper. So they're trying to help the environment even more, even though they want us to still spend more money doing it. But anywho, so yeah, this is the charger, same USB to US Type-C, USB Type-C, and that's pretty much it. You have the, oh, I can also have my screen protector. You need a screen protector, for sure. Definitely with these phones. Even though it's ceramic shield, you still want to have a screen protector. Screen protector also has the smaller notch there. If it's, yeah, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on there. It should fit perfectly. Oh yeah, I have to power. Oops, sorry about that. Let's see how she is powered up. Oh yeah, the button's lower this year. Whoa. And look, it says hello in the new iOS 15 format. So beautiful. I want to type English, of course. See, set up new iPhone. It's already ready. But yeah, after I get this bad boy put on here, everything's set up. That's pretty much the end of the unboxing. Have a good one.